Alright guys, I'm out here with the UdI Peregrine. It looks like a, one of those typhoon looking things, Q500. Kind of looks like that. Let's start some video. I've had this thing over a year, never had a chance yet to get it out and start it, or get it out and fly it. We'll get a look at the video. Got it in the second rate now. So far it's a little wonky. Go to the third rate. Well, don't want to flip for some reason. And it's saying on here the battery is dead. I just charged it. Okay, so it's not steering at all. It's going front to back, fine. It's going forward and backwards, great. But, oh, it's like in some kind of headless mode or something. Okay, I see what the deal is with that. Hold on. Yeah, that's what it was. It was in the STAM headless mode. Okay, I don't remember hitting that button, but we'll see. It's the first time I'm flying it outside of the house. Didn't have any trouble with it. It seems like the battery's not working. Let's see. Okay, there's no lights. Yeah, there's lights flashing. I just don't know what they're for, because on the controller here you'll see it shows there's no power in the battery. Oh, I turned that on again by mistake. Gotta watch that headless mode button's right on where your index finger would be. I'll put the video in the flight time. Like I said, this is the first time I'm flying this. This thing's been around for years from what I remember, but I had just picked it up. I know JD Quad made a few videos with it. For some reason the flips won't flip, but I don't care about that. Now the lights are flashing more. Just not sure what all these lights are meaning. It flies smooth, man. It's very smooth. Very smooth flyer. I thought I saw some kind of critter over there a second ago. I get them critters that show up over here every once in a while. Yeah, it's fairly nimble. Nope, there's the low battery warning. Well, I'm going to have to bring this out again and come back with a... Okay, I just crashed into my leg like a doofus. Let me stop the video so at least we'll have that. I don't know if this battery is... It came with 2 batteries, so I think I'll bring it out again. Oh, shut up, please. I think I'll bring it out again and bring the other battery. I just charged this before I came out, so that wasn't the issue. So the battery just might not be any good. It's been sitting around for a year because I haven't had a chance to bring it out, so we'll see. It also has a micro SD card slot in here too, so I'll check it, take a look at that video to see if that, you know, if that looks any better. But we'll see. I'm not giving up on it yet. It does handle pretty nicely, so. And I remember actually in the house, I never could get this to land without it tipping over. I do remember that. It always wants to go forward like that because it's kind of the way it's balanced. The balance on it isn't that hot. So, you know, whenever you land, it always wants to flip forward like that. So, we'll give it another shot. I'm not giving up yet. So, all right, guys. I'll talk to you later.